Now, 1/4 of the people in the school are teachers and the rest are children. 1/3 of the children are girls. There are 10 boys. How many people are there in the school? Now, when we deal with fractions, do not just rush to make the denominators the same. Okay, because sometimes the two denominators may be referring to two different groups of objects or different groups of people, right? So you must understand why in lower primary, when we make denominators the same, is because both the denominators represent the same total, all right? But as you progress to P4 to P5 onwards, okay, things may not be as simple. It may not be as simple as you think anymore. All right. So most importantly is we got to understand what is the significance of the numerators and the denominators. All right. So let's do that first. Okay. So firstly, the 1/4 here, 1/4 of the people are teachers. Okay. So I'll start with the numerator. So this 1 unit, who do they represent? They represent the teachers. Okay, so I'm sure most of you know this. 1 unit is the teachers. Now, what about the 4 units? Okay, so 4 units, who do they represent? So usually I will see the keyword of the people. Of the people usually tells you that, the denominator, who are they? So 4 units refers to the total people in the school. Okay, so I'll just call this total because people means everyone. Now let's move on to the second fraction that we see here. Okay, 1/3 of the children are girls. So 1 unit here represents the girls, right? And who does the 3 represent? Okay, so again, I will see the word of the children. 1/3 of the children are girls. Girls we already know is 1 unit. So 3 units here have to be the children. Okay, now you see what I mean here. All right, both denominators here, they do not actually represent the same thing. This 4 and this 4 represents the total people, everyone, teachers and students. Okay, whereas the 3 here only refers to the children only, right? All right, so this is where we cannot make the denominators the same because they both represent different types of people. Okay, so what we should be doing is we should be drawing a model first. So we have to start off with drawing the total 4 units. Okay, so let's do that. So 4 units. Out of 4 units, what we know is that 1 unit represents teachers. Okay, so make sure you label that down. Now, the rest are children. So where are the rest? The rest, of course, have to be the remaining 3 units here. Okay, so let's label that children. Okay, so now moving on to the 1/3 of the children are girls. Just now we discussed that the 3 units represents children, and just nice on my model, I see 3 units tallies with the 3 units children here. So it falls perfectly in. All right, so I don't have to do anything else. What I can just do is out of the children 3 units, I have to label one of the units for girls. Okay, so let's do that. 1 unit will be for the girls. There are 10 boys. Now, where are the 10 boys? So obviously, these children, 3 units, this 1 unit is the girls, right? Okay, so the 2 units here have to be the boys, the 10 boys. And that's it. Okay, so model done. So once your model is done, you notice that now you can start working with the 10 boys. How many units is the 10? As we can see, it's the 2 units. Okay, so 2 units is 10. Always find the value of 1 unit next. So 1 unit will be 10 divided by 2, which will be 5 people. Once you found 1 unit's value, read back the final question. How many people are there in the school? People represents everyone. Okay, so everyone will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. So we're going to find the value of 4 units. So 4 times 5, and that will be 20 people altogether.